Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya. I am right now in Jaipur. Jaipur is my hometown. Recently इस घर में काम हुआ है तो basically all the walls are bare and I have taken upon me this task of giving a makeover to how much ever spaces I can in these 2 weeks.
Just a disclaimer, in this video you are going to see a lot of painting. Last time when I went to my hometown, I spent 2 weeks over there. As I told you that the first floor of our house was pretty much undone and I just wanted to give a makeover to few areas how much ever I could in those 2 weeks. This video is going to be divided into 2 parts simply because I had loads of footage and I cannot possibly fit it all into one video. In the first one, as I said, you're going to see me paint a lot of old things at my home, and in the second one I am going to just wallpaper the shit out of this house. Just kidding. I have applied so many wallpapers in this space and overall that now I can give you some real important tips to keep in mind when you decide to apply a wallpaper by yourself at your home. So the second video is gonna be the wallpaper 101. And now let's get into this video. First thing that I picked up is this very old bookshelf. I used it a lot as a kid, but the color was super boring, brown and grey, so I decided to switch it up. Since this was my childhood bookshelf, it had a Barbie sticker, few smileys and even my brother's signature on the top.
Make it easier to call you.
So I have these 2 colors, both are chalk paint. I will link both of them down below in the description box. मैंने ना यहाँ पे लगा के ट्राई किया. Obviously this is just a single coat तो अभी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. But just to have an idea कि color कैसा लग रहा है, I just painted it and my mom likes this one better. तो अब मैं ये वाला color करने वाली हूँ पूरे में.
Let myself give up. Slip on solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't.
मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि ये जो गैप है, this one between the 2 shelves, I am going to paint this also in the same color, sage green. Only this border I will paint with white color. In my head it will look really nice. Let's see असलियत में कैसा दिखता है.
I give in to your sense of direction, and you just walked all over me. So I can accept your offer for protection, but I don't wanna think about that. There's no point trying to trace my old tracks. I always love you most before you leave. These days I find myself wishing you were here asleep head on my knees. I'm writing songs about missing you, but it won't feel like I'm missing paradise when I'm missing you. I think back to that night in Arizona. Hot as hell, but your airs kept me colder. Throwing the towel, I'll find a place to watch you fall. But I don't wanna think about that. That I'll never know.
Now this vase is again an old one. These kind of vases you'll see a lot in the local market of Jaipur, but again the color wasn't so great, too loud and too orange for my taste. I thought of giving it the same color, sage green chalk paint that we used for the shelf, just to go with the theme. used this metal gold color which I got from Itsy Bitsy website and this sponge brush to kind of smudge the gold color randomly on the surface for that little shine and an extra oomph. I eventually noticed that a piece of cloth works better to smudge the paint.
That I'll never know. That I'll never know.
Now my parents, they want to get rid of this dining table, but कुछ टाइम के लिए यहीं पर ही रहेगी, तो I thought कि for a change मैं इसको पेंट कर देती हूँ.
Sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue.
What is this, baby? शेर का शिकार कर रहे हो तुम?
I can't leave memories behind. When she asked about you,
I ordered this separator from Amazon. It costed us around I think 8,000 and it's a non-returnable item because of course it's too heavy. It was literally struggle to get it here. मैंने customer reviews में पढ़ा था कि the wood is not polished and all.
And it's true that it does not look polished, but I think it looks really pretty overall.
I get impatient, this constant waiting. Just wanna be the one that you come to. We act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this time.
ये बहुत सारे cans पड़े हैं मेरे पास and we were thinking कि we'll convert them into planters and some of them even have handles. So इसको hanging planters की तरह use किया जा सकता है. It's the next day. I just अभी नीचे आई हूँ. It's 7:30 in the morning. बच्चे का dedication देखो. I have a work meeting at 10, so I thought I'll start early. Let me quickly show you where we are at right now. इस room को मैंने अपना DIY studio बना रखा है for the time being. This lot of buckets and cans are the ones जिसमें केवल single coat हो रखा है and there are few of them जिसमें double coat भी कर दिया है मैंने.
Make it easier to call you. I let myself give up. Slip on.
हाँ और घुस जा कैमरे में.
Solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't wanna think of right now. I gave in to your sense of direction and you just walked all over me. So I can accept your offer for protection, but I don't wanna think about